How to avoid sleep regression. Every parent wants to know how to avoid sleep regression, but the truth is that it's almost impossible to avoid. It's just a part of growing and developing. Even though, there are babies who don't experience it. With that being said, there are solutions and ways to manage it. Early bedtime. If they normally go to bed at 7 p.m. and spend hours awake and crying, then try setting back their bedtime to give them more room to get it out of their system. Try making bedtime at 6 p.m. and establish a nice routine of bath, massage, songs, and then sleep. More frequent feedings. Don't be scared to feed them more often. If that's what they keep waking for and it's the only way to get them back to sleep, then go with it. You can use feeding as a crutch, you just must learn how to break it later after the regression has passed. Tip: if you use feeding as a sleep crutch, a way to get baby to sleep, then don't add any others such as rocking, lying with them, etc. One crutch is hard enough to break later down the road. Increasing amount of food. A big part of regression is that baby is going to grow. So, increasing the amount of food they eat isn't a bad idea. During the day, feed them until they're satisfied instead of stopping at the suggested amount. During the night, frequent feedings are expected but don't cut them short. Let baby eat as much as they want and then let them go back to sleep. Their bodies are crying out for something: more sleep, more food, more everything. Lots of soothing. Even though it may feel pointless when you're dealing with it, regression requires tons and tons of soothing. Hold baby, rock them, sing to them, play more during the day, give lots of hugs and snuggles. Although they're probably flailing arms and screaming at you, and it's so very tempting to just give up, don't. This is one of the things that will help baby get through it faster and easier. At this stage, they are still realizing their world and need constant reassurance and comfort from parents. Adjust bedroom. Try making the sleeping environment a little cozier for baby. Adjust the temperature of the room a degree or two cooler, make sure the sheets are nice and soft but still light and breathable, and block out any intrusive light with blackout drapes, blinds. Create the perfect place to sleep and they may get through this easier and faster. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Share and comments, subscribe now for new videos and update.